You see all that smoke? I wish you guys could smell everything at home. If there's one thing that I can sniff out, it's a delicious chicken wing. Look at these. If you are one of those people that have a craving and a hunkering for these all the time, do your taste buds a favor and get yourself a Grilla Grill. One of the best things you can invest in is something that's going to help your appetite, and that's exactly what Grilla Grills offers here with all their amazing products. And of course, you guys have been on fire, no pun intended, lately. But let's talk about what's been happening since we last checked in with you.
Yeah, it's been an amazing summer, man. The local business, you know, we filmed with you guys this spring, and it was fantastic. The amount of people that are coming in here is just so exciting for us, which is why we love doing stuff like this. This holiday season, we have a lot more stuff that we're offering now for barbecue essentials. Even if you have a grill and you're looking for accessories and spatulas and all that kind of stuff, we've expanded our showroom greatly. So there's a lot of cool stuff here. We see a lot of people coming in here Christmas time shopping. Ladies, if you want a place to shop, this is easy.
Yeah.
Easy.
Absolutely. Well, let's talk about your grills. We don't want to assume that everybody knows what they are.
Right. So we offer a wide range. Pellet grills is kind of our main thing. So we have 3 different type of pellet grills. Silverback's our largest one. The Grilla is our original one. And then we got the little portable chimp, which has been phenomenal. Legs fold up, you can throw it in a truck and take it with you. And of course, behind me, we have the ceramic grill for those who love charcoal flavor, which smells great behind me, by the way. That way, you know, depends on what you want. The pellet grills are great because they're easy to use, and we talked about that before. Just hit a button, pour some pellets in there, and man, you got great food. We appreciate our customers. They appreciate the value in the grills. You know, we're a family-owned business, so we deal directly with the consumers. So we cut out the middleman that keeps the quality in the grills at a reasonable price, and that's what's been really good for us.
Absolutely. Okay, well, we have to point out that Black Friday is coming. Most stores have a Black Friday special. What will you guys be offering?
So we're going to be doing more of a holiday special. Okay. So we're going to start November 1st. We're going to start running some specials, and just keep an eye on our website for that and social media. If you purchase one of these grills online or at our store, you're going to get free bags of fuel, sauce, rub, a bunch of free stuff you're going to get just with the purchase of a grill. And we're also going to have some stuff coming throughout the holidays. Actually on Black Friday, we're going to have some additional things coming. But the whole month of November and December, we're going to have fun things, as everybody knows. And we do actually plan on being open that Friday and Saturday of Black Friday, which we normally aren't. But we're going to try to have fun here, keep social distancing, of course. And but we want people to have an opportunity to come in here and check these grills out.
Absolutely. One thing that goes hand in hand with grilling is cornhole.
Yeah.
So if someone has quite the zinger of an arm, it actually could get them some money back or a gift certificate?
Absolutely. I love cornhole.
I do
it's
too.
fall time, camping, it's cornhole, right? So if you come to our store here in Holland, or in our store in Texas, by the way, which I just got back from in our new store there, if you come in and purchase a grill, you're immediately going to get a $40 gift card emailed to you, and you're going to get a chance with a cornhole. You drop it in the hole, you're going to get a $100 gift card. On top of that, if you just come by and want to stop in and look around, you can sign up to win a grill. So there's 3 options. If you come here and buy a grill, you're going to get $40. You could win $100, and you get to sign up to win a grill. So if nothing else, come down, hang out with us, and see what we got, and at least sign up to win one.
Beyond the grills, let's say somebody already has the grills. Let's talk about some of the other products that you offer.
Yeah, we got some fun accessory for these things, guys, and for those who already have these grills, we got jerky racks for them. So we're really trying to expand our brand. Grills are obviously the core, but we feel the brand is strong, and people are staying home and they want to have a cool backyard and be able to make good food. Yeah.
So you have a location in Texas now. Congratulations on that. You have the one here in West Michigan. So what's next for Grilla Grills?
I don't know. We got some fun new things coming here shortly, and I can't say too much, but we got some fun accessories, but we got some fun bigger things that are just off shot, probably, maybe. I'm not sure if they're in the shot or not, but Christmas, November, December is going to be really exciting for Grilla Grills.
So you got to make sure you follow them on social media. Where can they follow you on social media?
So absolutely. Obviously, we got a Facebook page, Grilla Grills, website, grillagrills.com, all that good stuff. And we got tons of information, recipes. If you ever got a question, just call us. Our number's on our website as well. I got staff in there waiting to talk to people, and that's what we love to do.
All right, well, I've been standing here long enough. Is it okay if I go ahead and take it?
Yeah, grab it.
Oh my gosh, he got the word. I love a good chicken wing. If you do too, make sure you guys go ahead and grab yourselves one of these Grilla Grills.